Sophia. So today you're going to help Mommy make a kid's soup?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's tell everybody some of the ingredients we're going to use, okay? So we use 2 tomatoes. I cut that into 4ths. And 1 garlic clove. You can use more. This is the only one I had, so this is the only one I'm using. Es caldo con sabor de pollo. This is the chicken flavor. Some onion. And the pasta that we're going to use is Fidello. You can also use the alphabet soup, the flour one. There's different types of shapes, but this is the only one I have today. I only used about 3/4 of the bag, so it's about like 1.5 cups. And we also need water. We are also going to use this canola oil masola. We're going to need about a tablespoon to fry up the Fidello, the pasta, up a little bit first. Those are our ingredients, and my daughter's going to help me put them in the blender. So we blended the tomato and all of the ingredients very, very good, and so no chunky pieces in there. For this second part, we're going to go ahead and put the oil into the preheated pot, and then we're going to go ahead and fry the pasta a little bit before we put in the liquid. Very carefully, my daughter Sophia is going to put the oil into the pot, and I'm taking care of her, so she'll be fine, right?
Yeah.
My daughter is putting in the pasta, and the oil is a little hot. Just dump it fast, honey. There we go. We just want to brown it, making sure. I am doing this part because the pasta is very thin and it can get burned really fast. So we got to make sure it doesn't burn. It just gets a little brown and crispy. That is what we're looking for. So you got to stir this part really well. And I'm using the low heat because the pot really and the oil overheated, so I don't want it to burn. Just keep stirring constantly, a little browning. That is all we are looking for, remember. We are going to put in the tomato liquid, and my daughter's going to help me. This blender is quite heavy, so she's going to help. That sound is normal, guys, okay? Do you want to stir, Sophia? Okay.
I want broccoli.
Very carefully, okay?
Because it would be harder.
Yes, honey. Just stir it slowly. And we're just going to let the tomato liquid come to a boil. Once that does, we're going to add water. And if you guys can taste it and the flavor is fine with just the chicken, you can leave it alone after adding the water. Or if you notice that after the water it is bland, you can put in a little salt. When it comes to a boil, you can go ahead and put the rest of the water.
It's bubbly.
It's bubbly?
Let me help you.
Okay, so we put a little more water into the blender just to get the extra tomato saucy ingredient. We added a little more water, and we didn't fill the whole thing up. We don't want it to be so liquidy. We just want enough liquidy soup. If that makes sense. We're going to add a little salt. I don't have exact measurements because it really depends on your palate and what you like, what your taste buds say about it.
It's going to be super yummy.
It's going to be what?
Super yummy.
And we're going to stir it. So you want to stir it, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay. Very careful. Okay, so we're going to let this go to a boil again. And this time, when it does boil, we're going to be making sure that the pasta is soft and ready. And when the pasta is soft, then we know that the soup is finished. You can go ahead and cover it now, or you can just leave it open. The soup has been boiling for about 10 minutes. In total, no more than 15 minutes it should be boiling, and it looks pretty ready to me. The water reduced a little, and the pasta expanded just a bit, so it looks ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy soup for kids. recipe, and this is not only for children. I love this soup as well. Maybe because I grew up with it, I'm not sure, but it really does taste very good. And this is how I plate it for my kids, and they love this soup. I hope you guys give it a try, and it's very easy and convenient. The ingredients are really simple. They're really not so many ingredients, and you guys can make this your own, give it a little twist. I also like to eat this with a ham and cheese sandwich, or a quesadilla, or a grilled cheese sandwich, whatever you prefer. I love this soup, and it's very easy. I make this for my kids at least twice a week because it's just like a go-to soup. As a mom, I know it's very hard to find recipes sometimes, and the ones that we do have, they get old. And I always look for new recipes to make for my kids that are easy, because I am a student and I am always busy trying to study and, you know, clean up and do all these things, and easy recipes is what I'm looking for. And I know that a lot of moms out there are also looking for easy recipes, so I hope you guys give this a try. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe my daughter and I will do another recipe sometime soon. I want to get ideas,